Hey diamonds, it's your girl EvaTarae, right back at you with yet another video. I am so super excited. I finally got to bring you the James Charles and Morphe collab. Finally got to play with my shadows. Finally got to use my brushes. It took me so long to get this up because I have rude and inconsiderate neighbors. So I wanted this to be like a get ready with me. I haven't really done one of those yet and I wanted to do it, but I could never find a great time to record without people yelling, arguing, cars backfiring. You know, it's real hoodish out there, you know? So what else? Another thing that I want to touch base on, let me find out that you've been watching my videos. Let me find out and you haven't subscribed. Go ahead, just take a moment. It's down there. Go ahead and click that notification bell since you're next to it, so that the next time I drop another video with using my palette, you guys will be notified. I know you want to see it. I know you're gonna enjoy it. So let's just do it, right? So I got into this look today. It's green. I like it. It's kind of spacey. And I'm mad that I did green because I also purchased that Melt Smoke Sessions palette. And I was like, halfway through it, I'm like, why am I doing green when I'm going to end up doing a green with that look too? But I'll probably make that more of a goldish look with hints of green. We'll see how that comes out. But yeah. But I don't know. I really wanted to do green today, so I kind of did. We'll see how that other two goes. But back to this one. So if you want to see how I put this look together, you know what to do. To start, I'm going in with T, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone and above my crease. Next, I'm going in with Daddy, and I'm going to place that in my crease and blend it slightly above with the M433 brush, which is a firm blending brush. I do have to note that there is quite a bit of fallout with some of these shadows, but it really doesn't bother me that much because it's not really excessive and the color payoff far exceeds my expectations, so I'm willing to deal with it. I'm going over T and Daddy just to blend the two together so there are no harsh lines. Going in with a firm shadow brush, which is the M124, I packed Daddy in the inner and outer corner. Next, I'm going to go in with my M441, and I'm going to blend out those harsh lines. Now I'm going to go back in with my M124 brush, and I'm going to grab Social Blade and blend that into the edges of Daddy. With that same M124 brush, I'm going to grab my Mario Badescu facial spray, and then I'm going to use that to pick up guac to place dead center in the middle of my lid. I'm also going to blend guac, Daddy, and Social Blade together, but I'm going to pick up my M152 for that. Just to make sure all of the colors are blended seamlessly, I'm going to go in with my M506 just to buff out those edges a little bit more. Off camera, I did apply my eyeliner and also apply my falsies. To prep my skin, I am going to go in with one of my faves at the moment, my Tatcha Silk Canvas. For foundation, I am going to go in with my Cover FX in the color G110. To apply that, I am going to use my Morphe Beauty Sponge, which is also included in the 34-piece brush set, which, oh my God, I am so thankful that I got to try this. This is by far the best beauty blender I've ever used. There is no need to pay more than $7, diamonds, for a beauty sponge. This is it. I'm also going to use that same beauty sponge to blend out my highlight. To bake, I grab my Black Radiance setting powder. Onto contouring, I grab my Black Radiance contour palette in medium dark with the E48 brush, and I must say this is my new contour fave. It put down the product perfectly, right where I want it to be, and it blended it out very smoothly. To bronze, I went in with my Estee Edits in medium deep, and I applied that with my M527. For my cheeks, I grabbed my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I used the shade B, and I applied that with my M405 contour brush. To set my face, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which I absolutely adore. It took me so long to try this out, diamonds. But before I mist my face, your girl got to cover up her hair. Team Natural, right? Cannot get wet. To highlight, I grabbed my M501 brush, and I also went in with my Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And diamonds, this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. I had so much fun playing around in the palette and the brushes. This is a definite must-have. If you have not scooped this collection up, you definitely want to do so before it sells out again. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all of your support. And diamonds, as always, until next time.